How to make money very quickly with this trading bot? Let me show you today. First, you need to choose from your deposit on which you will enter the transaction. In my case, I can enter up to $300. It will be safe and very fast earnings. I choose a good volatile pair, for example, the Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Choose this trading pair in the bot. Choose the time for the transaction, 1 minute, and get a signal to sell. Right there on a new candlestick, I open a sell trade and just sit and wait for the result of this trade. Good local downward movement, and we can expect that the price will now update this minimum. To my surprise, this trade closes at zero, a very unexpected turn from the market. So let's open the next trade for $520 to get a double profit. I choose a list of pairs in front of me. I choose the British pound Canadian dollar, and the time for the trade is also 1 minute. And I get a sell signal. Right here on a new candle, I open a sell trade, very good upward movement. You can observe, and I expect that the price will come to about this area and make a good correction. The market is very unpredictable, but the bot analyzes the market very well and generally gives signals in the long term, so it is better to trade with him in the long term and not to risk too much, literally 20 to 30% of your deposit, and then you will be in a good plus on a long distance. Super. This deal brings me almost $500 of net profit, lower the risks to $420. Australian Canadian dollar looks very good. I get a new signal, I choose this trading pair, and the time for the deal 1 minute, and get a buy signal. Great. I wait for a new 5-second candle and open a buy trade on it. That was just a great example of why you should open your trade on new 5-second trades. Great. This trade has already brought me $400 of net profit. That is $1,000 I have already earned, given that I entered only 15 to 20% of the deposit. The next deal will open at $520. The British pound dollar is looking good. I'm getting a new signal. I choose this trading pair and the time on the deal 1 minute, and get a signal to buy again. I wait for a new candle and open a buy trade on it. There is nothing to add, just a great good uptrend. The price correction was already there, so we can expect a good continuation of the movement. Great trade brings me again $400 of net profit. I propose to open the last trade for as much as $620. Everywhere the payouts have sagged, so I go back to the British pound Canadian dollar, and the time on the deal is 1 minute, and I get a buy signal. I wait for a new candle, and on the new candle I open a buy trade. Good upward movement, the correction has just ended, and we can now expect that the price will update these local highs. If you don't know how to trade with this bot, make sure you watch my last video. There I recorded detailed instructions on how to register, how to activate the bot, and how to open the first trade. Super! This trade already brings me $600 of net profit. That is twice I increased my deposit, taking into account the fact that I did not trade for very large amounts. amounts. If you want to earn the same way, I will leave all useful links in the description. Link to this free trading bot, link to my Telegram channel, where by the way I shared with you free promo codes, and also a link to the support windows, where you will be answered all your questions. That's all for today. I wish you a huge profit.